Hello, everybody. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. Thank you for all the follows, the likes, and the shares. I'm grateful for having you as my big, big tribe. All right, so today I'm reading from page 108 from Divine Soul Whispers, and the poem is It Is Well. I hope it is well with your heart. As for me, it is well with my heart. It is well with my soul. Peace and calm fill this morning as candle scents fill the air. The dancing flames send a warmth to my heart. Today is a good day. Today is a great day. So is tomorrow and the day after that. Abundance fills the air, bringing harmony to the mix as well. It is well with my soul as the day turns into dawn, as the quiet of the night skies covers the earth. It is well. I hope it's well with your soul. Have a good day, a blessed day. Keep the hope alive and the joy alive. Talk to you soon. Keroy here, author of Divine Soul Whispers and many more. Talk to you. Bye.